Alright, let's get this Pandora's box unboxed. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my unboxing of my February Pandora's box. Yay! This bag is chock full of goodies that I cannot wait to unbox. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So, as you guys can see, I have the same makeup on from yesterday's video. So if you want to go take a look at that video, it was a review on my first Viseart palette. Just go check that out and see how I came out with this makeup look. But with that aside, I do have my February Pandora's box in front of me. This bag is full and I cannot wait to see what is in it and what indie brand goodies we got for the month of February. So let's just go ahead and jump on into it. Alrighty, for those of you who may not be familiar with Pandora's Box, it is a monthly subscription service that focuses on indie brands. It's not a pay every month subscription service like Ipsy, BoxyCharm, or whatever. It is a pay as you want subscription service. So I really like that because you can always pick and choose which months you want to try out. Pandora's Box has a monthly theme each month. This month's theme is Mermaids and Sirens. And February's box is particularly close to the owner, Amy, because her son came home from deployment. Amy, I do want to thank your son for all of his service to this country. I am a Navy brat myself. My grandfather was retired Navy and my stepfather is retired Navy. So yeah. That is awesome. How ordering goes for Pandora's Box, you do have a window from the 1st through the 15th of each month to order the next month's box. For example, we had through January 1st through the 15th to order February's box. February, of course, for March is February's window for March was the 1st through the 15th. Sometimes they extend the pre-sale, sometimes they don't. You just order it on Etsy and it comes to you between the 1st and the 5th, depending on what day it falls on and if there are any holidays going on. So let's just go ahead and see what's inside. So she reused the I Believe in Unicorns mailer, even though this is a Mermaid and Sirens box, but hey, I'm all for unicorns, so I'm all about it. I did go ahead and open it, and like I said before, this bag is chock full of stuff and I cannot wait to dive into it. So we have an item right here at the top. It is from Augusta Rose Designs and it is the whipped body butter in Siren Spell. I do believe that that is what it is. It is a sample size. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that smells really really good. It's got like this fruity smell to it with like a touch of like beach, but the beach smell isn't overwhelming. I'm not a big fan of beach smells, but I love me some fruit smells, and this smells really good. All right, in the email, which I have right here, I'm going to read to you guys. It says, from Augusta Rose Designs, we have a brand new product coming to her shop, a sample body butter with a scent fit for a siren, a lavish lush blend of orange, peach, cherry blossom, and white jasmine. This is sure to become a favorite. Make this scent your siren's call to lure the summer back to us. It really does smell really good. I do get a hint of a beach smell in it. I don't know if she has that in there or whatnot, or that might be the white jasmine I'm smelling, but it does have like a hint of a beach smell. Right. Next up, we have from the Scented Squirrel, a wax melt in Mermaids. That's cool. This says it's ocean mint, sea moss, cyclamen, geranium, water mint, coriander seed, white cedarwood, and vetiver. Okay, now this I'm not a big fan of. It smells good, it's just not my cup of tea. And it is really cute because it's got glitter in it. I know my Aunt Spuddy would love, love, love this scent because she loves scents like this. It's just not my cup of tea, but I have to show you all the glitter again because it's really pretty. It says from the Scented Squirrel, we have a wax melt shot. That's pretty cute. Scented beautifully to capture the ocean breeze, mermaid's breath, and sunshine. It is sure to fill your home with mesmerizing thoughts of summer. And it just says scented with the notes that I just read off to you guys. So that's pretty cool. I can't wait to give this to my aunt because she'll absolutely love it. Ooh, we got a sugar lip scrub from Baby Bat Beauty in Mermaid Magic. Let's see what this smells like. Oh my god, y'all, this smells like double bubble bubble gum. Oh my god, I just got taken back to like my childhood days playing softball at Little League. Wow. In the email, it says from Baby Bat Beauty, we have a full-size lip scrub flavored with bubblegum. It is winter and we all need those special items that make our lips feel soft and ready for the day. The Siren's call is a lot easier to answer when our lips feel amazing. I can't wait to use this with my lip scrubber that I got, my Ulta Beauty lip scrubber. That's gonna be great. Yes, I am stoked over this. It is from White Raven Apothecary, and it is a goat's milk soap. You guys know I love this soap. It's the only bar soap that I use. Ooh, it smells really good. This is what it looks like. That's really pretty. This is handmade. Oh, it's got glitter on top of it. And it's all over my fingers. Awesome. It says from White Raven Apothecary, we have a full-size handmade goat's milk soap, a sultry blend of bergamot, lemon, cucumber, violet, and jasmine. This is probably my new favorite scent right here. I love me some bergamot scents. Anchored by the deep, rich scents of cashmere and musk. These soaps are amazing, and we can't get enough of them at my own home, talking about Amy. Topped with a sprinkling glitter to capture the essence of a mermaid. I love this scent. If I could get a scent... If I could get this scent in like everything from a wax melt to a candle to a body spray, I'd be happy. All right, next item we have is from Wake the Dead Scrubs. It is Mermaid Vibes Hand and Body Lotion. Ooh, this kind of smells like, the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. It smells really, really good. On the email from Wake the Dead Scrubs, we have a half size of their lotion, an amazing Hawaiian fragrance that you are sure to love. This scent has been used in other products offered by Wake the Dead Scrubs, and customers have begged for it to be turned into a lotion. The owner was sweet enough to make that happen for this special edition. That's awesome. I like that. Okay, now we are getting into some cosmetics. I do like how we have like a bunch of Bath and Body stuff, and now we have a few cosmetics. Pretty cool. All right, the first one is a face and body glitter gel from Notoriously Morbid in the shade Siren's Luck. Ooh, that is pretty. I'm just gonna show you guys. I like that. I like how it's got like the dark purple and the black in it. That is super, super pretty. From Notoriously Morbid, we have another new product to the line, a sample glitter gel. These have been very popular since revealed in a subscription box they offer. It is not, as of yet, a permanent item to their line, but you can find special releases with them, included from time to time. The Notoriously Morbid team was nice enough to make a special one for this edition with my son's homecoming in mind. His favorite color is purple, and they included heart-shaped glitters that change colors. Next item we have is from BFTE Cosmetics. It is a loose pigment in the shade Celtic Charms. Some people say Celtic, some people say Celtic. I love Beauty from the Earth Cosmetics. I'm actually wearing her blush today. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a deep brown purple. Really pretty. From BFTE Beauty from the Earth Cosmetics, a sample size of Celtic charms. My son always had the mentality to look towards the future but be aware of the past. So we thought this would be a great item to include as a peek into the next month's edition of Celtic Luck, which is March's bag. This shade is one of my personal favorites from BFTE Cosmetics line of amazing shadows and face products. The last two items we have are actually a combo. It is a eyeshadow palette from OMFG Cosmetics, and this is the Hot Tropic palette. And this is what she looks like on the inside. Look how gorgeous that is. I cannot wait to use this. I love OMFG Cosmetics. For the first 20 people that ordered the bag, you got a mermaid fan brush as a little gift. And it says on here, from OMFG Cosmetics, we have a 12-pan palette and a special gift for the first 20 customers. We had two palettes that were packed at random, the Hot Tropic palette and the Wedding Day palette. Of course, I got the Hot Tropic palette. For the first 20 customers, we included a mermaid fan brush as a thank you for your purchase. That's pretty awesome. Like I said, I cannot wait. Plastic fell. I cannot wait to use this palette. This bright pink is like calling my name. It's like saying, Melissa, Melissa. All right, I'm going to clean all this up and then I will come back and run down the prices. Alrighty, let's go ahead and run down the prices of these products. Before I do so, I do want to let you guys know that you can get this bag for $25 a month plus $5 for shipping. So it comes out to $30 a month. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what the value of this box is. The body butter from Augusta Rose, this is a sample size. The full size retails for $12 and it comes in a jar that is similar to this size. This is the Rebel Rouge Labs Rebel Meringue body lotion. It comes into a jar about this size. The lip scrub from Baby Bat Beauty, this is a full size and this retails for $6. The sample shadow from BFTE Cosmetics, this does retail for $2.05 for the sample size. The full size is $6.60. And this is the full size right here. Okay, the glitter gel from Notoriously Morbid, when it is available, it retails for $4. The palette from OMFG Cosmetics, it's currently on sale for $12, but originally retails for $30. So you've already paid for the bag with just this palette right here. The wax melt from the Scented Squirrel retails for $2, and it says on here that there is a sale going on right now. So go check that out. The half size lotion, this is the half size. The full size is a 4.5 ounce bottle that retails for $5.50. Goat's milk soap from White Raven Apothecary retails for $5. I actually really enjoyed this month. Like I said before, it is a great combination of like bath and body, home, and makeup. It's not all makeup. I think this is like the first bag in a while that I haven't gotten a lot of loose pigments. And I actually really do enjoy that. I cannot wait to use all this except for this. I'm just not a big fan of the smell, but I will pass this on to my aunt because she will love it. I will put down in the description bar where you can purchase Pandora's box, as well as links to any of the brands that I have shown you guys today that were in this box. If there happen to be any discount codes, I will place those down there as well. I don't have any for these brands, so none of the discount codes will be mine. They will belong to other people, so I don't earn any money off of them. And that is all that I have for you guys today. All my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. I also will list all the products that I used to make this look for you guys in the description box as well. I love you all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. I'm like really loving this month. So glad I got me another bar of this. I love this stuff. Time to take my makeup off. Huh, huh, yeah. I uploaded videos 2 days in a row. What? Who is this, Melissa?